Hello and welcome back to RAGGIE Solar. Today I'm here with another 2 MWh containerized energy storage system, and I'm going to walk you through some key features of the system in a quick tour. So this is our battery compartment. This is called one battery rack, and each rack contains 14 pieces of 16 kWh lithium batteries, and we have 10 racks like these, so the total capacity comes to 2,250 kWh this way. These lithium batteries are going to be taken out because we are going to ship the container and the battery separately. And as you can see, here on the cabinet door, we have the air conditioners. We installed 10 pieces like this, and each one is 2 horsepower. Their job is to keep the battery compartment at a constant temperature. And up there, we can see the high voltage control boxes, which I mentioned multiple times in our previous videos. They are like the brain of the entire battery system. And down there is the DC combiner box. It gathers all the current from the batteries and then feeds straight into the PCS. And now let's step inside the container. Alright, now we are inside the container. The walkway is actually pretty open, wide enough for 2 persons to come through. And these two are our PCS units from Revo, or we can just call them hybrid inverters. And each unit is 500 kilowatts. Together they generate a total power of 1,000 kilowatts. And down here, the left side is for DC power connection, including the battery power and the PV power. The right side is for AC power connection, including the grid and the load. Up on the ceiling, we can see some fire control system, lighting system. This is the emergency light. And down here, we have ventilation system. They are here to keep the PCS running at the perfect temperature all the time. And over here, this one is the network gateway. It's still unfinished. And this is the AC distribution box. It handles power collection and distribution, on-grid and off-grid switching, as well as all kinds of protection. And finally, we have our MPPT cabinets. Each cabinet contains 4 MPPT modules. Each module is 75 kilowatts, so the total of one cabinet is 300 kilowatts. We have 4 cabinets like this, so the total PV input power comes to 1,200 kilowatts. And now let's step outside. Over here is our AC switching cabinet. This is what you need if you want to connect generators to the system. It's like the core connection hub between the power grid, the generators, the PCS, and the load. So let's say there is a power outage and the SOC of your batteries has come to a certain level, then the machine will switch on the generators automatically. And let's take a look inside. These two are for PCS connection, and this one is for generator connection, and down there is for AC connection. And the cabinet is also IP54 rated, so you can put it next to the container outside. So if you are looking for a reliable, cost-effective energy storage solution, this 2 MWh container can be your best choice. Feel free to leave a comment or contact us for customized solutions. I will see you next time.